Welcome to this tutorial on Remove Dash module, part of our PowerShell module series. In this video, you'll learn how to unload modules from your current PowerShell session. This is an essential skill for managing your PowerShell environment efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand when and why to remove modules and how to do it properly. Remove Dash module is a PowerShell cmdlet that unloads modules from your current session. When you remove a module, it frees up memory and removes all the commands that were provided by that module. Think of it like closing an application you're no longer using to free up system resources. The module remains on your computer, but it's no longer loaded in your active PowerShell session. The basic syntax for Remove Dash module is straightforward. You use the cmdlet name followed by the dash name parameter and the name of the module you want to remove in quotes. For example, remove dash module dash name quote module name quote. This is the most common way you'll use this cmdlet in your daily PowerShell work. Let's look at some practical examples. First, you can remove a single module like Active Directory by specifying its name. Second, you can remove multiple modules at once by providing a comma-separated list, such as pester and psReadLine. Third, you can use the pipeline to remove modules that match a pattern. For instance, get dash module with a wildcard pattern like a z.star pipe to remove dash module will remove all Azure-related modules currently loaded in your session. There are 4 main reasons to unload modules from your session. First, to free up memory, especially when working with large modules you no longer need. Second, to remove commands you don't want available anymore, which helps keep your environment clean. Third, to reload a module after you've updated its code during development. And fourth, to avoid conflicts when multiple modules provide cmdlets with the same name. Removing unused modules helps maintain a clean and efficient PowerShell environment. Remove Dash module has several important parameters. The dash name parameter specifies which module or modules to remove by name. The dash force parameter allows you to remove read-only modules that would otherwise be protected. The dash ModuleInfo parameter lets you accept module objects directly from the pipeline, which is useful when combining cmdlets. And the dash WhatIf parameter shows you what would happen if you ran the command without actually removing anything, which is great for testing. The dash force parameter is particularly important in certain situations. When you need to remove a module that was imported with the dash force flag, or when a module is marked as read-only, you must use dash force to remove it. For example, remove dash module dash name quote my module quote dash force. Without the force parameter, PowerShell will refuse to remove protected modules to prevent accidental removal of critical components. Here are 3 critical things to remember about Remove Dash module. First, removing a module only affects your current session. The module files on disk remain unchanged, and the module will be available again in new sessions. Second, if you use a command from a removed module, PowerShell will automatically import that module again, so removal isn't permanent within a session. Third, you cannot remove modules that are required by other currently loaded modules. PowerShell protects dependencies to prevent breaking your session. Understanding these behaviors will help you manage modules effectively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.